The new one-day international rules might have demoralized the bowlers during the recent India-Australia 7-game series, with the 300-plus score being comfortably chased by both the teams. But the International Cricket Council on Tuesday hailed the rules change and called it a good success.
The ICC Cricket Committee meets once a year and the next meeting will be in May 2014. We have had a number of changes in recent times in ODI playing conditions. We wanted to keep things as stable as consistent as possible leading to the 2015 World Cup in Australia and New Zealand. Overall, it has been a good success. Overall, if you look at the results so far, using the fielding restrictions, we are seeing that the total runs scored in the innings have more or less remained constant compared to previous years before the new regulations being introduced.
The former South Africa wicketkeeper said the conditions varied in different parts of the cricketing world, and that in the subcontinent, the bowlers had been at the receiving end, with pitches not affording a sideways movement and turn.
But overall, if you look at the results, what we are seeing is that the total runs scored in an inning have more or less remained constant. When compared to the previous years before the new regulation we introduced, the average runs scored an inning is about 250, and the data only shows that a higher percentage of those 250 are scored in 4s and 6s as opposed to 1s and 2s.
However, he conceded that bowlers were having a tough time coping with the new rules in the subcontinent.
You do find wickets which are really flat, don't spin, don't seam, and the bowlers really have a hard job. If you look at the results all over the world in other conditions like England, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa, you will find that the new fielding restrictions have worked well. Also, the fact that we are using 2 new balls as opposed to 1 has allowed the bowlers to take more wickets, especially in the first 10 overs. When the seam bowlers are at the batsman, this has also worked well.
Richardson also confirmed that the directives would be given to the curators in the Australia and New Zealand for the 2015 World Cup, similar to what had been done in 2011 when the mega event was held in India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh for preparing batsman-friendly pitches.
Certainly for ICC events, we do give directions to the host countries as to the preparation of the pitch. It will be the same as the World Cup that was held in subcontinent. So our direction would be we want a pitch that provides good bounce but not too much lateral movement.
According to him, their directions would be what they want: the pitch that provides good bounce but not too much lateral movement. Generally in one-day cricket, it is tried to favour the batting team to look for the totals of between 230 and 260. Sports Desk, DD News.